Samahan niyo kami sa isang ordinaryong araw na naging isang core memory para sa amin. This wasn't actually a big planned trip. Parang one of those days lang na we decided to go out and make the most of. Where are we going? We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you can come too, we're going to the zoo. Yay! Ikaw naman, Nathan. Sing going to the zoo. What do you want to see at the zoo?
Hippo.
Hippo? Ano pa? Elephants? Ano pa? Ano yan?
I can get.
Do you want to see a snake? No, how about a bird? How about a tiger? Yeah. Mama wants to see an army. Armadillo. How about you, Daddy? What do you want to see at the zoo?
Kangaroo.
You saw a real one before? I mean,
The ones at the zoo aren't fake.
they're not from here. They're foreigners.
I have seen them in the wild before, if that's what you mean.
That's funny. Forest. I can see it. So, nandito na nga kami at grabe ang temperatura ng araw na ito. Ibang klase rin ang Texas heat, mainit na medyo dry. Kahit ako na laki sa Pinas ay init na init. Paano pa kaya itong Mr. Kong Afam na lumaki sa malamig na estado ng Idaho? Pati na rin ang anak naming mahilig sa snow. Pero ni isang reklamo, hindi ko naringgan itong Mr. ko. Ako pa nga ata ang madalas mag-comment na mainit. Are you excited? They're napping, ano? Nakakatuwa bilang magulang na makitang masaya at excited ang anak mo over the smallest things. Mahilig din kasi talaga si Nathan sa animals, kaya talagang super nag-enjoy siya.
It's a rhino.
Rhino.
They've
Bola.
got a big ball.
Alam niyo yung age na lahat ng nakakita nila parang pinaka-amazing thing ever. Nasa stage na kami na ganun. Nathan, say hi. Siyempre, wherever daddy goes, Nathan follows. Parang may invisible string silang dalawa. Sobrang cute nilang panoorin together. Best buddies talaga sila. Minsan nga feeling ko third wheel lang ako sa sarili kong family outing. See it? Where is it? There. At some point during the day, I stopped looking at the animals and found myself just watching this too. Sarap panoorin ng mag-ama ko. Isa ito sa mga moments that reminded me how blessed I am. At mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga.
He is in his late 80s, as is the female that's walking over to Josh over there. Her name is Maddie. Maddie is about 300 pounds or so.
Habang ini-edit ko nga itong vlog, na-realize ko, ng simpleng araw at random family outing, sila pa yung nagiging favorite memories natin. Yung tipong wala namang grand na nangyari. Pero masaya lang kayo na magkakasama. Oh, that's scary, bud. Are you scared? Can you say hi, fish? Wow. What is
is that? Huh? Bakit tayo?
Probably in the car.
By this point, medyo pagod na kami kakalakad. Then Nathan spotted a stall full of stuffed animals. Siyempre napahinto kami.
Take a look at the elephant.
Pero instead of a stuffed toy, he ended up choosing a little keychain. We thought we were finally done for the day. Pero nag-request pa ang bata na bumalik para makita ulit yung gorilla at magbabay. Super cute niya lang sa part na yan. Okay guys, I think ayan na lang muna for today's vlog. Nothing really spectacular happened. Just a family spending time together. But maybe that's exactly why days like this are so special. Because years from now, I don't think we'll remember how many animals we saw or what we bought that day. What we will remember is our child asking to see the gorilla one last time. And we'll remember how it felt to simply be there together. And that's the beautiful thing about family life. The little ordinary days have a way of becoming the memories we treasure most. Thanks guys for joining this little adventure with us. We'll see you in the next one.